So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable customized modes and routines on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, look for Customization Service and then select it. And then from here, wait for it to load. If you don't have the customization service feature enabled, you will be prompted to turn it on before you're brought to this menu. From this menu, you're then going to look for the option Modes and Routines, and you'll see a toggle next to it. In order for you to disable customized modes and routines, you're just going to tap on the toggle to turn it off. Once it's turned off, you'll have successfully turned customized modes and routines off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the toggle and it will be enabled. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.